Yo, what up, man? So the time is here, man. If you've been debating about if you guys should pick up the PlayStation Portal or not, now is the time to do it, along with a bunch of other stuff that I'm getting ready to show you in this video here, man. And we already talked about it in my previous video about the update. Well, what I'm about to tell you in this video here, man, is a no-brainer on why you should scoop this bad boy up. And one of these here that I do have to show you in this video is not on this table right here, but it is also something, if you are a gamer, you 100% gotta pick up. And it might be right here behind me, all right? So let's go ahead and start off, man, with the PlayStation Portal. You already know we got to start there. Now, if you guys don't know by now, the PlayStation Portal here started out as like a mirroring device to be able to connect to your PS5 console to be able to basically stream all of your games. Then it evolved into being able to stream PlayStation Plus catalog of games. If you guys are a subscribed member, that's regularly updated until now, where it is a full standalone console that you guys can play your purchased game catalog as well without the need of turning this PS5 on. Or matter of fact, you don't even need a PS5 to now be able to use the PlayStation Portal. I just feel like they gave us everything that we wanted. So with all of that being said, man, this Black Friday, man, you guys can scoop up, because let's be honest, the PlayStation Portal is not that expensive, but I do feel like it should actually cost more. But anyway, you can get this bad boy for $20 off. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys, this right here is gonna sell super quick. So I have a link for y'all down below. Now, the next product I wanna show you guys is that one product that's not on this table, but right over here, man, and it is from my homies over at Govee. And if you guys are a gamer, then you definitely wanna make sure you add this to your PS5 setup. Check this out. Now, if your TV out there is still looking flat like this, man, let me go ahead and fix that for you real quick with these two products right here. Now, the first one that we got up, man, is the Govee TV Backlight T2. And it basically, man, turns your living room space into a mini freaking IMAX. With this dual camera color capture, it reads your screen twice. So that way, every color, every flash, and every explosion perfectly matches what's on the screen. And if you guys are wondering, yes, it does work with everything like your Netflix, like gaming, as well as sports scenes, all synced in real time. So you're probably sitting there, you're like, C-Kid, bro, what is the secret sauce to this? Well, it's the upgraded RGB IC tech that has 6 LEDs per meter, which is literally double the light density for smoother, giving you way more vivid lighting that just flows. And right now for Black Friday, it's on sale for $74.99, all the way down from that $139 price, which is crazy for this level of immersion on your TV. So if you guys want to upgrade your setup and feel way more alive, check out the link I'll have for you guys down below. Now, the second one that we got up right here, man, is another favorite of mine, and it is the Govee AI Sync Box Kit 2, where if you guys are into gaming or movies, this setup right here, man, is next level, all right? Now, the Govee Sync Box AI Kit 2 here is a beast that just brings your whole room to life with just crazy accurate real-time lighting. The Sync Box AI Kit 2 here, man, it supports HDMI 2.1, so that way you guys are getting 8K 60 hertz or 4K 144 hertz plus VRR as well as ALLM, meaning you're getting that buttery smooth visuals as well as zero lag. Now, it also has AI gaming lighting effects that's powered by CogniGlow, so that way every action, whether it's explosions or ultimate finishes, will trigger custom lighting that reacts to everything that's happening. And with the 75 RGB WIC lamp beads per meter, which is literally the highest density in the industry, means you guys are getting brighter, you're getting smoother, and more cinematic colors than any other sync box that is on the market. And for Black Friday right now, man, if you guys want to upgrade your setup like I did, you can get this at a discounted rate of $89.99, down from that $139.99 price. So if you guys want your setup to look crazy like mine, then go ahead and check out the link I'll have for you guys down below. Thanks to Govee for sponsoring this portion of the video. Now, the next thing here, man, I would not be doing this video justice if I did not mention scooping up a PS5 for the Lolo, all right? So right now, if you guys want to save $100 off the PS5, then I will scoop it up right now, man, for $399.99. Now, some people out there might say, well, C-Kid, didn't they just increase the price of the PS5 because of tariffs, and then it just went back down with Black Friday to the original price that it originally was? I'm not gonna lie to you, you're right, but you know, a deal is still a deal, all right? So if you guys can save money right now, now is the time to do it. This right here is the Lockin Vino Plus, which is the world's first palm vein smart lock. Now, you're probably sitting there like, C-Kid, what is that? You literally, man, just raise your hand and there's no phone, there's no key, and there's no fingerprint, and boom, just like that, your door is unlocked in 0.17 seconds. Yeah, it's that fast. So check this out, right? How the Vino Key palm vein system works. It reads the unique pattern inside your hand with 99 99.9% accuracy. And if you guys are wondering, yes, it will still work if your hands are wet, if they're dirty, or if you got long nails. It's legit, man, next level security and zero frustration. Now here's where things get crazy. This lock is also your camera system too, meaning you get 180 by 180 by 180 degree lock-in cam, giving you head to toe visibility. And even at night, like you see in here, it's giving you 2K with night vision. It's also got dual motion sensors, 60 gigahertz radar, plus PIR, and it detects people in like 3 seconds flat with all of the data stored locally for privacy, which to me, that's clutch. Now next we gotta talk batteries. Now it has dual rechargeable batteries that last for months. And even if you guys grab the solar panel like you guys are seeing right here, it literally recharges itself every single day, even when it's cloudy outside. Then you add in the built-in Wi-Fi, Alexa, as well as Google support, you got a full smart home setup in just one smart lock. Why buy 3 different devices when you can just buy this single lock right here and it's gonna do it all for you? It's safe, it's simple, and smart for your entire family. The future, man, is here, and all you gotta do is raise the palm of your hand. So if you guys are interested, man, check out the link I'll have for you guys down in the description section below. Thanks to Lockin for sponsoring this portion of the video. Now the next product here that I 100% feel like you should have if you guys have a PS5 console, man, and that is just the DualSense Edge controller. This is by far one of my favorite, if not my favorite gaming controller that I've ever used, ever had. And to be honest with y'all, man, I picked this bad boy up here when they first came out. Like, I'm talking, this is still what I would say maybe 2 years old now, and I haven't had stick drift, not one bit. All of my buttons have always worked. The triggers have always worked. Now, if you guys want the gold paddles, I will put a link to you guys down in the description section below for you guys to pick up the gold paddles, because that's not something that PlayStation sells. That's just, you know, some sauce that I put on mine. But the DualSense Edge controller, man, comes with a ton of features, man. You guys can change the trigger pulls. It has these knobs here where you can actually change them. If you want the full press, or if you guys want to have it more like a mouse click, you guys can do that as well. The other thing here, you do have your paddles, so you can remap these buttons here, as well as you can remap any of these buttons here as well. And then we also have our symmetric thumbsticks here, which again, I like that because I know a lot of you Xbox people out there, you know, y'all like y'all thumbstick up here. And to this day, man, I will never understand it. But another thing you guys can do is you can also set different profiles. So let's say if you guys are playing God of War one day, and then the next day you guys are playing Ghost of Yotei. If you guys have controller presets for one game and then another controller preset for another game, you can swap between those using these right here, which is really dope, man. And it's all built into the PS5 console. So overall, man, super dope controller, highly recommend it. Now this next one here, man, is a new product that just came out and just got launched here in the US, and it is from my homies over at Razer, man, and it is the Raju V3 Pro for the PS5. And it's got me looking at the PS5 DualSense Edge controller that I just talked about. It's kind of got me looking at it sideways, all right? Because this one right here has some features that I kind of wish the DualSense had. Now, when it comes to the build quality here, man, on it, I feel like brand-wise, it's right on par with what Razer, as far as their quality standards is, as far as being premium in the hands. Now, it's perfect for the competitive gamers that are out there because of its texture back on it, as well as the ergonomic grip. Now, another thing with this here that I know some people may like. Now, me, I'm always going to be 2-paddle gang. I know some people out there, they love having the 4 paddles. And if you do, then this is going to be the controller for you. If you want to use all 4, you can. But if you're somebody like me, I'll probably just use 2. So you can actually just program just 2 of them if that's what you guys want to do. Now, another thing here, man, that I do like about this controller, man, is the mechanical tactile buttons that it gives you, kind of like that mouse click feel that you don't get with the DualSense Edge controller, where I do feel like everything just feels instant when you press the button. Now, another thing you guys can do is you can remap all of your buttons as well, very similar to what you guys can do on the DualSense controller. So if you want your reload button to be a jump button, I don't recommend you guys do that, but hey, it's your world. I'm just living in it, all right? Now, when it comes to the triggers here, man, it's got Razer's Hyper Trigger, where you guys can adjust the trigger pull from full travel, or if you guys want to go to the hair trigger pull, you guys can do that as well for all of my FPS style Battlefield gamers out there, because COD right now, oh man, I'm gonna be honest, bro. I don't know what's going on with COD, but yeah, they done lost it, bro. The other thing you guys get with this, man, is the chroma RGB lighting on it that can sync with your gameplay, which I do feel like would be dope on something like the DualSense Edge as well. Like, for example, if you're fighting a final boss and every single hit, the lights pulsate, you get that on this controller here, which is actually really dope. So if you guys want to try this controller out here, man, and just something different for your PS5, then I highly recommend you guys check this out, because this one here is a fully customizable beast. Next thing we gotta set you guys up with is a monitor. Now, when it comes to monitors, I'm gonna be honest with y'all 100%, like I always am. I do not go cheap monitors. I have to have all of the 4K visual goodness that I can get out of a video game. Think of it like this. When a new game is coming out, I want to see it how the developers intended me to see it. So the one that I rock here, man, and that I 100% recommend, and I've been using this for about a full year now, and that is the LG UltraGear OLED. That is just one of the best monitors that I've ever used, man. And right now, you guys can scoop this bad boy up for Black Friday for $470 off right now, which is a crazy steal because I'm gonna be honest, I paid full price for it and I do not regret it. So the fact that if I could get this bad boy for $470 off, I'm telling you, man, that's a damn good price. And the last one here, man, that you gotta scoop up here because you got everything else, you need a good pair of gaming headphones. Now, I've tried a lot of gaming headphones here on the channel, and I am working on my best gaming headphones video of 2025, so definitely be on the lookout for that. But one that I have been rocking here, matter of fact, you know what? We actually got 3 of them that I'm actually gonna recommend, and one of them is not even a headphone, but we'll get to that. Now, the first one here, man, is the Audeze Maxwell. These right here, man, are just so good for gaming, man. I've been using these for a long period of time. Now, one kind of downside to these is they are a little bit on the heavier side, but I will say quality-wise, these are solid, man. Now, there might be another downside to this is you probably cannot find these bad boys anywhere. Maybe you can find them on Amazon, but I know on their website, on audeze.com, they are sold out for this pair, as well as they have the PlayStation version, as well as the Xbox version, which this one was like a custom edition that they did. But again, you might can find them on Amazon, but I know on their website, they are sold out on these bad boys because I'm telling you, these mugs are fire, all right? Now, the next one that I recommend is the Razer Black Shark V3 Pro here, which is another just solid go-to of mine when it comes to gaming. And I like these here, man, just simply because they lightweight as well as it sounds really good. Whereas with the Audezes here, like I told you, they can be a little bit on the heavier side. So if you guys don't like heavy headphones, then I would say the Razer ones right here is a definite go. And last one, man, that costs way less than anything that I've told you guys in this video right here, and that is the KZ Gales. These are my IEM favorites right here, man. I'm telling you, hands down, I will rock these over any pair of gaming headphones that I have. And the amount of audio clarity that you get out of here, as well as great tune, for all of the goodness that you get, it only costing $26. You heard it right. $26 is beating everything on this table, all right? If you guys want to check that out, man, link for that down in the description section below. But that's about it, man. I hope you guys found something in this video that you guys like, that you guys can get and add to your gaming setup right away. And also, man, it can save you a few bucks if you guys scoop them up right before the sale ends. I'll see y'all in the next one. Happy gaming. Also, happy Thanksgiving, man. If I don't talk to y'all before then, see y'all in the next one. Squad, we out.